Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So today I'm going to show you the charcuterie board that we're going to make for our picnic. We're just going to have it at home. And it's not everything that I wanted to show you. In fact, I forgot to get the grapes out, babe. But it's some of the things. So right here we've got pita crackers, and we've got some of these Ritz crackers, toasted chips, sour cream and onion. These are really good if you guys haven't had them. And I have some of these little petite toasts that we use for our charcuteries. Great for pate. Speaking of pate, we have some pate that we are going to try. First time trying this one. I'll let you know how it is. We've got, what is this one again? Oh, smoked Gouda, of course. Smoked Gouda. And this one is, I have my contacts on so I can't read it. Oh my God. Oh, smoked cheddar. This one is goat cheese with orange blossom right there. And then this is some brie. Love double cream brie or triple cream. This one's double cream. I love the triple cream. Kind of hard to find sometimes. Got some olives we're going to put in it. Maybe some pickled beets. I'm not sure if I'm going to open this one or not. And then I have some sliced provolone and some sliced Swiss cheese. So I'm going to put this all together and show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, you guys, here is the finished board. So we have brie, which I melted a little bit and softened, and it kind of blurbed a little bit. Some Swiss cheese, some of those crackers I showed you by Ritz. This is the smoked Gouda right here. These are the little pate toasts. Some green grapes. This is some provolone cheese. This is smoked cheddar. This is some Italian summer sausage. And these are the pita crackers right here. And this is the good part, the pate. So we tasted it. This is the first time tasting it. It is so good, you guys. If you're looking for a good pate, I'm going to link this in the description box. We ordered this off of Amazon, and you can too. It is called Gold Medal Pate. So we ordered 6 of them. We're going to freeze them. They freeze really well. It came really cold, so it's called Gold Medal Pate. And it is in, how many, what was this, a 6-ounce chub? What was this, babe? How many ounces?
7.
7-ounce chub. Yeah, so we got 6 of these because we love charcuterie boards, you guys. This doesn't look the best. It was just put together really quickly. I didn't wind up doing my pickled beets. I am going to open some olives and put it on here, though. Forgot to do that, too. But this is a charcuterie board, and hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for coming along, and tell me if you guys do charcuterie boards and what you like to put in there. We love to just snack on these, especially on Sundays when we're at home. And it's just something really cool. You can picnic with them by just, putting the pieces all in separate containers and then bringing your board out, and makes a lovely picnic, you guys. So that was our intention, picnic at the beach or at the park, but we didn't get to do that today. So hopefully I will bring you guys along for the next one. We do these a lot. I just don't film them so much. But I've had some questions about my charcuteries that I've shown in the past on this channel and my other social media. So I figured I'd take you guys along for this. So here we go. Absolutely wonderful. And I'm telling you guys, pate, try it. If you like pate, I'm going to link it. So the word of the day for this is going to be pate, P-A-T-E. So, because I know charcuterie is a little bit tricky to spell sometimes. So we're just going to do pate. And the winner of this will get a goodie from our kitchen. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.